In this video, I want to talk about how you can unrestrict CFD trading inside of eToro. Now this is pretty simple, guys. The way that you can get access to the CFD trading is simply by completing the questionnaire. So you want to go to your profile, and when you sign up for your profile, you have to answer a questionnaire. Inside of your profile, it might be called experience or something like this. And basically what you want to do is you want to complete this, and if you answer correctly to the CFD questions, you will be able to trade CFDs. If you don't answer correctly, you will not be able to do this. Keep in mind, you can retake the questionnaire, so if you fail it the first time, you can just try it again. If for some reason you complete it and you can still not do it, I suggest you head over to the help and resources and try and contact the support. Just chat with the AI assistant first, and if they cannot help you, just ask for it to connect you with an agent. Once you've done this, you should now be able to trade CFDs. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.